I've always been really interested in making my own shoes because I am a leg brace user. I'm not super happy with my options because it makes shoes very limiting. So I really wanted to come and make my own shoes so I can have exactly my style and my taste. So I found Brooklyn Shoe Space through a little bit of research, and that's how I got here. My name is Lila Napentech, and I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I got to make 3 different pairs at Brooklyn Shoe Space. We modified some lasts to fit over my braces by using some cork and chiseling out exactly my foot shape with my braces on, because it does quite drastically affect our design choices as well as fit. So that was really wonderful because I had a shoe that was made specifically for my braces, which I've never had before. My first pair was a hospital sandal, but make it cuter and more feminine, more girly. Then we moved on to my pair of sneakers. We took inspiration from shoes that I know work really well for me, and then I picked my patterns and my colors that I wanted to make it my own creation. And then the third pair of shoes that we made were the boots. We sort of did some scalloping right around the toe box, which I really am in love with, and a zipper for easy access in and out of the boot that goes all the way down, just so it's really easy to slip my brace in there. And then some ruffles at the top, and the outside sole rocks a little bit to help me heel toe a little bit better, so I'm a little bit quieter while I walk in these, which is really nice. And it's super lightweight, which was also one of the requirements for shoes of mine. And then we actually got in a 4th bonus pair of some mule loafers. My favorite part about this entire process was picking out the patterns and the colors, and we got to go into the fabric district and play around with a bunch of different fabrics. The most challenging part of this entire experience was the stamina of the 10 days and trying not to burn myself out too quickly, trying to keep my energy high the whole time through, because it's a very intensive process, and I have a whole new respect for every shoe I see on the street, knowing the work that goes into it that I never really thought about before. So it's been like enlightening. It means so much to me to have a pair of shoes that feels like me, because I can't really walk into any store and find a pair of comfortable shoes that I can dress up and wear to an event. I would need to wear a sneaker, and typically those sneakers are very chunky and orthotic looking, which is not always the look you want to have as a 20-year-old. So it's been really self-esteem boosting to have a pair of shoes that fits me just exactly right with what I want as a design. These are my shoes, and I'm so happy with them.